Welcome back. So if I was going to do the SQ3R reading strategy, the next step would be to question, right? So that is when we, as readers, are questioning, making questions out of the things that we're reading. So I'm going to use that information that I got from the first step of this strategy, this survey, and I'm going to make these into questions, right? So if I was using this article, a few good reasons to skip class and a few bad ones, I could ask myself the question, what are the good reasons to skip class? Okay, so as I'm reading, I'm going to be trying to answer that question, and that's going to do a lot for me, right? I might make this one a question, and a few bad ones. What are bad reasons to skip class, you know? So as I read, I'm going to be thinking about questions that I have, okay? So I'm going to make this. So sickness. What about sickness? What do I need to know about sickness that has to do with this article? And I'm going to answer these questions as I go. So this is going to look different for every thing that you read. So if you're reading a different type of text, so if you're reading a textbook and it's a biology book, your questions are going to look a lot different, right? But if you're reading a sociology book or a psychology article even, your questions are going to be different than if you were reading that biology textbook. So it's going to be really subjective depending on what you're reading, but asking yourself those questions are going to be important when you're going in and you're trying to focus on what you're reading. It's going to help you decide what's important, what's not. It's going to help you get engaged in the reading, pay attention to what you're reading, and not get lost in it.